line with each line that I finish, I'm so close to my goals I can almost pole vault over the goalpost. And if I don't got enough in the tank, maybe I can just siphon enough to fill up this last can. Man, will I survive in this climate or what? They said I was washed up and got a bloodbath. I'm not a rapper, I'm an adapter. I can adjust, plus I can just walk up to a mic and just bust. So floor's open if you'd like to discuss top 5 in this motherfucker. And if I don't make the cut, what, like I give a fuck? I'ma light this bitch off like I'm driving a truck to the side of a pump. 0 to 60 hopping and gunning like G-Unit without the hyphen. I'm hyping them up. And if there should ever come a time where my life's in a rut and I look like I might just give up, it might have mistook me for bowing out. I ain't taking a bow, I'm stabbing myself with a fucking knife in the gut while I'm wiping my butt.
Добар ден, јас сам странац Балканац и денеска дојавме во даунтаун Чикаго да ги прашуваме американци да зборат кавадаречки. Жт, дк, вк, бн, бј.
Bomboy. He's got it.
Чварци?
Чварци, yes, and you?
Чевраци?
Nice.
So get your ideas, stack your hammer, but don't come unless you come to battle. Now I'll jump in the saddle.
Do you know what's the biggest killer in my country?
Drugs. Murder.
It's called Promaya.
Promaya?
Romaya?
Promaya is, for example, you're in a room and you open one window and you open the other window and the wind going through,
What?
it's killing you.
What do you mean?
Well, like I don't know also, nobody knows, but it's killing us. It's killing
What
us
do you
for centuries.
mean?
It's called prom.